Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Audrey. I post videos about college, musical theater, because I'm a musical theater major, fashion, and everything in between. So if you would like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post a ton of like outfit pictures and do like polls on my stories, so it's super fun over there, and my TikTok as well. I do make videos there. It is my biggest platform, but I am glad that you are here on my YouTube channel today. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a Sunday reset because it's a Sunday after a weekend at college. And for any of you who have ever been in college before or are currently in college, you know the Sunday scaries are very real, especially when your room looks like a bomb went off. But we're gonna clean it all up and start with a clean slate for the week. But first, let me show you what we're starting with. So right here, we have my beautiful desk. Stunning, beautiful. This is a high frequency wand, by the way. If you don't know what that is, it's for your skin. Yeah, that's cool, but could break that glass part. I should probably put it away. Here's my other desk. Yep. Yep. Oh, here's my bedside table. Love it, love it, love it. Bed, not looking great. Still haven't completely unpacked from Hawaii, and you know, you might be like, why? Why? Well, because I had to wash every single thing in my suitcase because there were wet bathing suits in my suitcase. So they basically just ruminated throughout my suitcase and made everything smell bad. So we had to start from square one, and I mean like basically wash all of the clothes in my entire wardrobe. But anyway, it's fine. It's fine.
This is fine.
We're gonna start over again and we're gonna be good. And that's why we're resetting today. So I believe what I'm going to do is start with trash and cleaning up the trash in my room because there's a lot of it. So I'm gonna go grab a trash bag. But I'm gonna put Euphoria on the TV so that I don't get bored. Out some of these drawers that are in this thing because they are very full, and I think they're full of stuff that I like barely use, so we're gonna clean them out. Some of the stuff I might put in my PR bin, which is just PR that I haven't used yet or just want to save for other things, so I just have a bin for that stuff. Oh, I had no idea that I had an Amazon smart plug. Like, see, it's things like that I'm just like, wait, that's so cool, I have that in there. Also, I'm gonna change my phone case because I want my mirror case again. I really like this one. This one's from Casetify. They both are from Casetify. All my phone cases are from Casetify. I love this phone case. This one's nice because it's like nice and skinny. Okay, but yeah, just gonna clean out these drawers. If there's something that like I use occasionally, then I will put it in the PR bin. If I don't use it at all, we're gonna throw it out. Why do I have so many dry shampoos? Now let's reorganize and restock my mini fridge. Fridge is restocked, kind of. Now we are folding clothes and watching Parks and Rec.
You scared me at first. I was like, what are you talking to?
You're like, who are you talking to? But Goldie's doing a good job. Thank you, Goldie, for the help. Best boyfriend award goes to Will Goldie. How wonderful is my closet? Water! Guess what time it is? Vacuum time! Got a new vacuum. Really excited about it. Let's vacuum. Swiffer time. Okay, we are finally finished this week's Sunday reset. If you guys want me to do this more often, please let me know. I will. I would love to. I love doing this. It sucks and it's annoying to have to clean all the time, but if I keep it clean, then I don't have to do these huge cleaning days, you know what I mean? And then I can focus on different things to reset, like my health and wellness, my mental state, and planning out my week. So yeah, but let me just show you what my room looks like now, because it is so much better than it was. Okay, so I finally cleared this side of the room, thank God, so that hopefully I can put a yoga mat here and do my Peloton workouts again, which would be great. And we have me and hi Goldie. Yeah, you can see in the mirror, wave. Then we have my fridge, which we restocked and organized a little, looking good. And yeah, shoes are all in line. Everything is under the bed that needs to be under there. And look at my desk. It looks so much better. It was disgusting, repulsive, horrifying, and we are really glad that it no longer looks like that. And then desk number 2 also looks stunning, beautiful. All my jewelry is hung up. Hair clip for my G Little is hung up. I need to give that to her from Hawaii. Bedside table is okay. It's just, you know, it's just all of Goldie's waters. Sip, sip from the Tinks water bottle. He doesn't know what that means. My bed is obviously not made because we are sitting in said bed. But yeah, that basically concludes this week's Sunday reset. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means the world. And also don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you guys in my next video.